Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Erez. I am from DevRev. DevRev is the AI teammate. We have a product called Computer. And why do you need a teammate? Why do you need an AI teammate? Well, let me read a quick quote from LinkedIn. Modern work, you get a message on Slack with a link to Confluence to prep for the meeting on Zoom, where you take notes on Notion and track projects through on Monday.com, and then update the Trello and get to the end of the week. And instead of doing anything, you just moved a bunch of information around in 17 different places, and it costs you $15 a month each. Sounds familiar? Show of hands, yes, maybe, yes. So that's what DevRev is here to solve. And I'll start with the infrastructure first. So DevRev built a bidirectional sync with all the systems at the enterprise level. That allows us to read and write from all those systems at a pretty high rate. What then we do is we create a memory. We create a computer memory that allows us to access all these data points, but host them as well. So we have structured and unstructured data that is hosted within our ecosystem that allows us to also map everything and make sense of it all before it's surfaced to LLMs. So that allows us to then provide three main key value propositions, which is search, automation, and action. How do we do those? We do those primarily for areas like on the back end, from a customer support perspective, from a sales perspective, operations, a lot of workflows, but also like, hey, answer my question or go do this task. The ability to host all the data allows us to surface the data first before we ask an LLM to go fetch data through an MCP or an API. So accuracy is very, very high. And on the customer-facing side, we also have solutions that are deployed on websites, on consoles, that help address customer questions, queries, prospects, and things of that nature. So fully conversational interface, both externally and internally. Where we already deployed it, we deployed it for hundreds of customers, and we have some good use cases. For example, Camping World example, around 60% of their internal IT tickets are being resolved by AI. Bolt has been deploying us across the board, wall to wall, so they're seeing faster time to deploy products. They're seeing also ticket deflection at an all-time high. All of that done by our AI teammate Computer. Security is obviously very top of mind, so SOC 2, GDPR, everything that we do because we host the data allows us to be a lot more secure. So LLMs not just like running around picking data that they choose to do so. We first of all surface the right data and then apply the LLM on top of it, which allows us to do a lot more, provide accurate responses, but also do it a lot faster, just because of that memory, computer memory. So if you're interested to hear more, I'm here around. My name is Erez. We sit in Palo Alto. Our co-founders started Nutanix, for those who are familiar. So this is the second company that they've been running already. So happy to share more details about our data structure and how it operates with our AI teammate. Thank you for your time.